Welcome to Wali Learning Squad. We play and learn. Today in this video we will learn the names of sea animals and it's the part 1. Let's dive deep into the sea. Let's dive deep into the sea. Let's dive deep into the sea. So are you ready? Blue whale. Blue whale. Blue whale. Shark. 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 Dolphin. 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 Crab. 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 Starfish. Starfish. Octopus. 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 Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Jellyfish. 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 Clownfish. 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 Blue tank. Blue tank. Blue tank. Penguin. 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 Seahorse. 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 Lobster. 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 Manatee. 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 Swordfish. 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 Sawfish. 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 Sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lion. Walrus. 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 Shrimp. 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 Zebra shark. Zebra shark. Zebra shark. Flounder. 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 Bannerfish. 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 Elephant snake. Seal. Elephant seal. Elephant seal. Crocodile. 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 Sea snake. Sea snake. Sea snake. We dived into the sea. We found so many animals. We found so many animals. So many animals. Like, subscribe and share.